So it's Wednesday, and Wednesday is problem solving day. Which means that I will be building something today and you will be able to follow along. Today we're going to build a lead page for the sheet that I'm sharing with you tomorrow. It's a sheet where you can copy and paste Facebook data into so that you can easily use it for Google Data Studio. And we're going to create a sort of a list builder page for that. So we're going to build a page that pitch the user in order to give me their email address in order to get this thing. With no further ado, let's have a look at how to do that. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to write a blog post about this template that I've created. And the blog post will be optimized towards Google search. And on that blog post, I will put a video that will drive traffic from YouTube. But this video on YouTube will have long-term optimization towards both Google search and YouTube search. So that's the first little circle we're creating in order to drive growth. The second thing I'm doing is that I have an email database already of people, and I'm going to send them to this blog post as an update. Then I'm going to do an update on LinkedIn about this blog post, and I am going to do an update on Facebook about this blog post. This blog post will aim to explain why it is important to use your Facebook insights in your Google dashboard to unify all of your data in one place, and then it will give you a tool which will be this template that I've created. And then the call to action in this blog post will be get the template, and when they click that button they will be sent to the template page where they will be offered to sign up. This template will not only be an offer to sign up to get the template, but I will also explain that if you sign up here you will get notifications on any update that I have on this template, plus you will get the other templates that are meant for Facebook or Data Studio. So that is what you are to expect when you sign up on this sign up page. When the user signs up, once you complete the form, then what happens is that you get an email, and the email is the normal confirm your subscription email, but instead of confirm your subscription it says get the template. It includes a link to the download page. The download page includes a video that explains why you should not unsubscribe once you've downloaded this tool, because that's otherwise a very common practice. So this will be a reminder that you will receive future updates if you stay a subscriber. And then it will also have a call to action, and that call to action is share the wealth, meaning like who else would or should have this resource. So that will be a link that I will push them to share to Facebook and to LinkedIn and via email. So this is the loop that we're building. And so hopefully that will have some kind of viral effect. Then for everyone who signs up to this page over here and signs up to those updates about Facebook, whenever I have something that I want to share within that space, then I will send an email to them, and that will drive traffic back to whatever blog post I have written that might be of their interest, like so. And they will get access to all the future templates that are about Google Data Studio or Facebook. So this is actually the system that we are going to build, and that's a normal system for a lead page. So here is the tool that I am going to give away. And it's a template for how to import Facebook data into Google Data Studio. And this is the page that I'm now going to turn into a lead page. It has previously had a lot of Facebook tutorial material on it, and it will continue to have that, but it will just add an element to the top here and some other things on it. Then I will connect it to Drip. I will set up a form for that page, and it will be connected to Drip. So now I'm going to teach you a little bit of a lifesaver when it comes to designing websites, because I need to add some kind of top content on this page. And so I want to make it Facebook related. So I will do this. I will do Facebook. This is the lifesaver. It is keynote designing. When you don't have any tools, you use Keynote in order to design your top or your images for you. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here we go, that is the top image that I am going to use. Let's see how it works. I'm not really a designer, as you can see, but I will check if this will look good on the site. And I will go into this page and I will edit page. So the template I'm using for this, or the theme that I'm using for my website, is Simple Mag. and I am having an editor here, B2B Bakery Page Builder, that I'm using in order to be able to pull these things. It's been a bit of a problem since I updated into the new version of WordPress, but you know, it works out in the end. So we'll duplicate this. Let's just check so that it's there. Yeah. And then go and take the list. Okay. Reload. Hopefully nothing will be gone. No, it wasn't gone. I go into back in editor again. Everyone can make a mistake. And there is our row. It look like crap, hopefully. Yes, it does look like crap. And so in here I will write get the Facebook insights to Google Data Studio template. Like so, save changes, update. We'll have a look. Yay! Still looks like crap, right? So we'll turn this into a heading, and we save that, update, and then we update here. And you see things are starting to come along a little bit here, and then we'll add another we'll actually go in here and we are going to change this, and we're gonna do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. For the margins, update. In here, see, this is essentially what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna work until I can find some, look and feel here that I really like, and I'm gonna try to remove this from the page as well. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna fast forward that bit. So now we come to the point where I've actually created the top here. I'm gonna add the form. I'm gonna probably push this down a little bit, and I'm gonna add some supporting things here, like the picture and the error, explaining what the error is and what this download will actually solve. And I will then add some blog posts, and I'm gonna add those blog posts down here as well. So that's the next step, and that's what you'll see me do before we are gonna go into Drip and change that. Alright, so now I've added the things or the elements that I want to add. They could look nicer, and I will probably work on them before I launch this. But actually, I won't. I will work with it after launch. So what's here? Well, first it is an explanation of what the person gets. So get the Facebook Insight to Google's Data Studio template. Second thing is get the template that removes all duplication errors, a little bit more explanation. Then it's keep signed up to get any updates, templates, blah, blah, blah. Get all the new tools, blah, blah, blah. So, and then it explains the usual import problem to those who doesn't know about it. And it does it in those like, it's, 100% sure. Then I'm gonna add the video to this page as well. And then I added some blog posts to show that I've talked about Facebook before. And then we have all my other Facebook tutorials. So all in all, this should give a pretty good idea about that you can download this without a problem. As I said, I will add some design features to this page over time, but these are the most important components. Then a testimonial would be great as well, but since I don't have anyone using this template but me right now, I will need those testimonials over time. So I will build that into the flow or the workflow of the drip campaign as well. So here we go. Now I'm gonna add the form here. So now we are in drip, and drip is where we're gonna get the form from because we wanna create a workflow that sends these emails. So we call the form name Facebook template form, create form, right? Facebook template form, buttes, looks disgusting, embedded, here we go, here it is. And so what I do is that I copy this code for this form and I will post it into my website. Yeah, actually, I don't think it looks that bad. I might have some opinion. Actually, let's go do this as well. Let's go do this. Let's make this background. So as I said, we're gonna create a custom confirmation page here, and this is the page that is down here, which is called Share the Wealth. And so I started a template here where I added a copy to clipboard button. The code for that you can find here, and I've showed that in another video how to do that button. So you have the copy to clipboard here, and then we will add a video. And the video I am creating, it's a short little video about why people should not unsubscribe, which would otherwise be the case so many times. So I'm gonna create this video now and show you how I do that. Right, so that was creating the video, and I'm just gonna export it and upload it to YouTube as an unlisted video. And I'm gonna do this here. Da-da-da. And why I do it as an unlisted video is because I don't want it to be shared to the people who are following me, such as you guys, because you know you guys won't necessarily be that interested in that video, because that relies on, or it means to be on a thank you page. So unlisted, upload, close. Don't really have to care about what this is called. Copy this, and then I go back to drip, paste it in here, save email, and I'm gonna put the download link in here. Alright, so this is the page that you will redirect to then when you have signed up as a thank you page. And so now we have the sign up here, and it looks crappy as hell. And we have the play me button here, get the template, copy to clipboard and share. I will actually work with these design wise, but now you see the flow. I have created this page, and I have created this page, and what you'll see when I share this post is the blog post. This email is not yet created. This email is not yet created, but I think you know how to create an email. I'm just gonna do one more thing, and that is to complete the drip mailer. So that's what I'm gonna do. And there my form is activated. And now I gotta go into automation, workflows, and I am gonna click main funnel here that I've set up before. And when you submitted the form, I'm gonna choose the form, Facebook template form, and I am going to update trigger. And then I'm gonna change this, which campaign, create new campaign, give a campaign a name, Facebook RSS. Category RSS, Facebook category, create campaign, action, like that. And so now we've added them to the Facebook template form, and we added them to the Facebook category campaign. And then we go into campaigns and Facebook category campaign. I go next, Jesper at wastaken.com. Bam, 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 bam. Don't really have to care about this right now. Yes, activate this thing. Activate without emails. I will add those emails later. I will actually show you how I do that and how I maintain these kinds of campaigns. So what happens now is that I will be able to go into people, and there is that address. And now what I will do is I'll reload this page, and I'll write Jesper at domain was taken.com. Now I'm at this, and there's get the template. And I can't show you my inbox because I have client emails in there, but there will be an email. Hopefully I will test this, and so that's how it's done. I hope that was helpful. So what we've set up is essentially this template page, this share the wealth page. We set up the email loop that completes this automatically and asks people to share back to social media. Now all we have to do on launch day is to create the blog post, create the video for YouTube, and those things you will see when I share this. So yeah, that was it. Oh yeah, should probably go through the measurement as well. But since I posted a video previously that I'll link in the description of this video about how to add button tracking on Google Tag Manager, I don't really think that I have to do the same thing once more. So watch that video to see how you actually add the tracking. All right, cheers. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with a friend, eat it for breakfast. Do something, life is short. Do something with it. And yeah, have a good day. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.